Hi there. Maybe you just installed Blender and are unsure where to start. If so, let's create a simple animation where the cube moves across the screen. First, expand the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This represents time in your animation, with each number marking a frame. A frame is a unit of time. For example, at 24 FPS, 24 frames per in 1 second. Now let's animate the cube. When you start a new file, the cube should be outlined in orange. If it isn't, just click on it to select it. Then, press the N key or click the small arrow in the top right corner to open the item panel. Under the Transform section, hover your mouse over the location property and press the I key. The numbers will turn yellow and a dot will appear on the timeline. Next, move the timeline cursor to any frame you like, for example, frame 250. Then change the X value and the location. Press the I key again to insert another keyframe. OK, now you're ready. Press the spacebar or click the play button on timeline. The cube will animate between the two keyframes. See? That wasn't so hard. You can do the same for other properties, like rotation. Go back to frame 1 and press the I key on rotation. Then move to frame 250 and set the Z rotation to 360 degrees and press the I key one more time and hit play. Now the cube both rotates and moves at the same time. By pressing the I key on different properties, you can create all kinds of animations. Try experimenting on your own. See you next time.